This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And today we've got you a brand new 2027 Peterbilt 579 tandem axle day cab. It's a 180-inch wheelbase. She's riding around on 295, 75, 22.5s. It's got a 12,000-pound steer axle, 40,000-pound rears, low air leaf suspension, 264 gear ratio, at a 70-gallon tank on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. The roof fairing, 18-inch side extenders. It's got the Bendix collision mitigation system on it. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our PACCAR MX13. She's 455 horsepower. Behind that's a 12-speed automated transmission. It's got air disc brakes all the way around. Taking a look inside, we've got our Prestige interior. Has Modura seats, air ride on the driver's side, stationary passenger side, AM/FM Bluetooth radio, power windows, locks, air conditioning. Got your connections and your mount up here for your CB radio. Multi-function steering wheel. This truck also has a 5-year, 500,000-mile extended warranty on the engine and the after treatment. So if you could use it, give me a call. 706-372-4698.